Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good as well. Now, can you please tell me about your current job? What do you do normally?
I'm a waitress
Mm-hmm.
in 4 Point. First, I was working at Coleston restaurant. When I came Dubai, firstly, I was working there as a waitress also. So I changed my job when I got 1 year to 1.5. I joined 4 Point by Sheraton. That was December. So I'm getting to my 7 months now in 4 Points by Sheraton.
Okay. So, basically, what were your duties and responsibilities there? What do you do?
I take orders, I receive guests, I take orders, their food, and serve their food, clear the tables, arrange the tables as the standard of the hotel.
Okay. And why you decided not to continue to work in that hotel?
First, it's based to the relationship between the colleagues first. Secondly, the salary too is not all that's my wish. In life you have to you have to move forward, not to
Mm-hmm.
say yeah.
Okay, I understand. Now, since you want to move in that company and you're looking for a new job, as a starting salary in this field, would you accept 1,500?
That's good, and yeah, it's good, I like it.
Mm-hmm. And what is your favorite task? Cleaning, cooking, babysitting, ironing? What do you like to do most?
I love cooking, I love babies also as well, and
Okay.
cleaning also.
And what type of food can you cook?
Basically continental food sometimes I can cook, but especially my local foods.
Okay, of
But I'm,
course.
I'm ready to learn your way of cooking also. In life you have to learn some people's culture, some people's food, others people.
And what particular products or chemicals do you use to clean a toilet?
Oh, there was one called Mr. Marcel. That
Mm.
one you put in to soak the dirt.
And now in babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see a baby crying in a corner, so what will you do?
When a baby cries, and it may be something bad has happened to her, maybe something has hit her first, or she maybe he or she is feeling sleepy, or maybe she want to get something, or he want to eat something, or maybe he's feeling bored. She feel like you carrying him or her. That's if a baby is crying, you run to her and see what is happening to her first, and you see what if she's feeling hungry, you give her food or him.
Mm-hmm.
If she's feeling to sleep, at least you take her, pamper her so that he or she will sleep, and you also continue your job also.
Okay, good. And what is your hobby? What do you like to do?
I love dancing, especially I like babies also.
Okay, and how long do you want to work here in UAE?
It depends when my goals, what I plan in life, I've
Mhm.
achieved it. That's what I will leave. That is when I will leave Dubai.
All right.
Mm.
And do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yeah, I will.
Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day ahead.